Alright, y'all, I'm about to make me a drink. A glass of Moscato with my orange roses that I made. Oh, it turned out so pretty, y'all. Look at that. In the middle.
That's my job. I'm a bucket man.
A bucket man.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I catch the ship.
If I was born and did what I wanted, would that be enough left to me to fall to my death? If I was brave and did let go, would I insist? If I was gallant, would I stand up to your tyranny? If I was staying, live my life living, would I live up to your standard?
Come on, y'all. I'm gonna go through, wash the dishes. Look at these things for the weekend. I have a couple of projects that I'm doing, so good morning, everyone.
If I was born and did what I wanted, would that be enough left to me to fall to my death? If I was brave and did let go, would I insist? If
So, y'all, I got this today, as well as that. So this is how they look, right? This is how they looking. So cute.
I was gallant, would I stand up to your tyranny? If I was staying, live my life living, would I live up to your standard?
The cabinet, it is nice and clean. Let me turn it around. So this is this side, nice and clean, and then right here, and then up under there, and I got my juicer and my Ninja down there. Now I'm moving on to my oven. I'm just hanging my tan curtains back up.